I want to find out how far forwards this big tyre can move when it goes around once. And I've only got this meter rule and this piece of string to work it out. And I can't move the tyre. Here we have a smaller wheel. If I roll this wheel around once so that the marker at the bottom comes round to the bottom again, the distance the wheel has moved is the same distance as around the outside of the tyre, and that is its circumference. So, to find out how far forwards this large tyre can move, I need to work out its circumference, but I've only got this straight stick and this string, which is too short. Maybe these smaller circles, which I can measure, will help. Now this coin is 2 centimetres across. When I put the string around it, the string measures 6 and a bit centimetres. That is 3 times as big. But that's too small to be accurate. Let's look at something a little bit larger. This gear wheel measures 12 centimetres across. If I wrap this piece of string around the outside of the gear wheel and measure the length, it is about 37 and a bit long. That is also 3 times as much. This brake disc measures 24 centimetres across. Once again, when I measure and put the string around, the length of the string is 74.5 centimetres long. Once again, 3 times as much. In fact, for all circles, the distance around the outside is always going to be 3.14 times bigger than the distance across the circle. Using this information, how can we find out how far around this tyre is? Although I can't measure the distance around the outside of my tyre, I can measure the distance across the tyre. That's 75 centimetres across the tyre. That means the distance all around the tyre must be 75 centimetres multiplied by 3.14. And the answer is 235.5 centimetres. That's 2 metres and 35.5 centimetres. Which is how far forward the tyre will move in one complete turn.